Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing a very useful video for those who want to improve their Wi-Fi. I'm talking about significantly increasing connection speeds and data transfer rates in general. It often happens that your router receives a very good speed, but when you connect to it, that is, your smartphone, it seems like the speed should be good too. But in reality, in most cases, this isn't the case because there are certain well-hidden settings that you need to manually activate to get the required speed. If you don't do this, you'll likely experience glitches, lags, and slowdowns in online services. You simply don't have enough speed to properly view content. And now we'll do two great things at once. In addition to improving your Wi-Fi, we'll also save battery life. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. To do this, you need to use the default settings. We go there and continue looking for information about our phone. Click it. Then scroll down and find your firmware version. It may also say the build number. Click the build number several times quickly. I was told that I didn't need to, because I was already a developer. In your case, it will say, "Congratulations, you're now a developer." Then, use the back arrow and scroll down and find advanced settings. Here they are. If you don't have advanced settings, look in the system section or in general settings. Go to advanced settings. And here, at the very bottom, you'll see a line for developers. Go here. Now you need to scroll carefully. Unfortunately, there's no search option here, but there's a very important setting that's disabled in all settings. This is constant Wi-Fi scanning, which occurs when connecting. If we turn this slider on, like we do now, we'll improve network performance, that is, our Wi-Fi, the speed will be faster and better. Plus, this feature reduces battery drain. So, we've done two good things for your smartphone, so you'll be happy with your internet and Wi-Fi, and we've also improved your phone's battery life.